channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Glossybox video. Yeah, I've been getting Glossybox for quite a few months now. I haven't done any videos on Glossybox. This isn't sponsored or anything like that, but obviously you do get some really good stuff in Glossybox. Now, previously, probably about a year ago, I used to get Birchbox. Also, I thought that was really good, but I thought I'd switch it up. I sort of had a break for a little while and I've been getting Glossybox ever since, and I've had some lovely stuff. So I thought I'd start making videos on this. I think it's really good. Actually, they've got some offers on at the minute. I don't have a discount code, but if you go online, there is a discount code on your first box. I can leave all the info in the description. It would be lovely to work with Glossybox at some time in the future, but obviously this one isn't sponsored at all. So these are all my honest opinions, and this is what's in the December box. Now, I do just have the standard box. You can actually get the limited edition, but I haven't got that box. So yeah, I'm going to go through what we got in here. So first of all, let's have a quick look at the packaging. It looks very, very nice. I do like it. Kind of reminds me of is it like the chocolate box, the Lady Loves Milk tray? Is it me or what? But yeah, it kind of looks like that. I know the colours don't quite correspond to that, sort of the style and everything. So let's go through this box. So it looks like that. It's got a red base, gold box, really nice. I'm going to take the lid off. Typical Glossybox style. You've obviously got a beautiful little ribbon and some tissue paper. And generally they contain 5 products. Inside you normally get a little bit of paper products that tells you what you've got and everything. This usually just tells you what the RRP of everything is and how much it should have been. So always gets nice tissue paper in there as well. And we're just going to go through every item. We're going to compare it to the card. So yeah, this is the Merry Metallics Glossybox. So first off, I'm going to dig out of here is these lovely lashes. Now I wear lash extensions, so these might possibly be gifted to somebody at some point. So these are the, they look absolutely lovely actually. The Golden Gatsby, these are foam mink lashes, 3D lashes. They look amazing. Really like those. I do like the packaging as well. Now these generally should have been £9.75. So obviously if you think about Glossybox is only £10. You get 5 products, and this is a full-size product obviously because it's lashes. So yeah, that should have been £9.75 on its own. So you've literally got your money back already, and we've got another 4 products yet. So yeah, so that is really good. Might be gifting that to someone. I'm not sure who yet, but somebody might be getting that. So that's the first item. Right, next up, let's just have another little look in the box. Should we just go for this item here? This is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I haven't heard of these ones before. They are, sorry, this one is a liquid shadow eye candy. Now, it is in the colour. Now, I'm not sure if everybody gets the same colour. It says Venus on it, so whether... Let's take it out of its box. Oh, I've got a little helper as well. Jinx. Little helper with me today. It is actually cruelty free as well, which is really good. I do like to see the little jumping bunny on there. So it kind of looks like this. It has got a bit of a glisten to it. Now this should have been this should have been £20. This is a full-size product. So amazing to get your money's worth. And I'm just going to swatch it on my hand there. It is a really nice, can you see that, or is it just not coming out? Is the light too bright? It's kind of a brownie, sort of nudie coloured metallic. It is really nice. It's actually a really lovely shade. Very, very, very sparkly, which you probably can't see now, but as soon as I catch the light, it is super sparkly. So that is really, really nice. Yeah, that looks really good. Will be amazing for Christmas parties. So yeah, I might have to give that one a whirl. And as I say, it should have been £20 and it's a full-size product. So next up we have, let's take the big one out of here. We have the original sauce, rhubarb and raspberry. Now this should have been £2.30, full-size product. I haven't smelt this one before. That smells amazing. Yeah, I always like fruity smells anyway. So sweet rhubarb and raspberry. It's 100% natural fragrance. And it's vegan as well. So yeah, brilliant. Can't go wrong with that. So really happy with that. Yeah, might use that in the shower later. Right, next up we have a little box here. Now this says it's Steve Laurent. This is a loose powder pigment. It's glittery pigment powder. This should have been £14.60 for a full size, and apparently this is a full size. So let's have a little whirl. So love the packaging. So it comes in this cute little like rose gold box, and then inside again the packaging is super nice. Look at that lid and the shine on that. And then let's just open it up. I don't want to spill it. Oh, so it's got like a little safety layer on the top. Now you can do a few things with this. So it basically says that you can use it as a loose powder to cover your whole eyelid for a shimmery look, or you can use a wet eyeliner brush to apply it along your lash line for a delicate touch, or sprinkle it across your cheekbones for a sort of iridescent shine. So yeah, that looks absolutely great, and I love the packaging. Again, this is a full-size product. Should have been £14.60. Yeah, and you get it in your glossy box. Right, last but not least, we have a full-sized again. This is a LOV lip stain, LOV Cosmetics. This is a lip stain. You can get a number of colours. Apparently you can get 1 of 5. Now obviously it's just a bit ad hoc as to what you get. I've got it in the colour Vibrant Everglow. So I'm going to open this up. Right, so I've got into it eventually. So this is a lip stain. So this is sort of in the colour, oh, it looks like quite a dark reddy colour, so a pinky colour. So oh wow, that is lovely. It's very warm sort of shade as well. I'm really going to love wearing that. I actually thought it was quite a pale pink from the look at the bottom, but no, actually look at that, how amazing that is. That is very autumnal, and it's got a lovely warm shade as well, so I'm going to look forward to wearing that. I might even wear it in my next video, so look out for that one, and I'll mention if I do have that on. Right, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.